Quick question for you. Which Azure service would you use to analyze thousands of customer reviews, or to detect objects in an image, or maybe to build a chatbot that speaks in multiple languages? If you're not sure yet, don't worry. In this video, we'll break down the four main categories of Azure AI services: vision, language, speech, and decision. So you'll know exactly which tools fits which business problem. Azure AI services are grouped into four categories: vision for analyzing images and videos, language for working with text, translation, and natural conversations, speech for converting spoken words into text and text into natural sounding voices, decision for making recommendations and detecting anomalies. Think of these as four toolboxes. Each one solves a different kind of business problem. Let's start with vision. The Computer Vision API can pull out text from an invoice using OCR or optical character recognition. The Face API can detect and verify people in a photo. And with custom vision, you can train your own model. For example, a factory could train a model to spot scratches on phone screens. So if it's about understanding images or videos, vision is your category. Next, language. Text analytics can scan thousands of product reviews and tell you which are positive and which are negative. Question answering can build a chatbot that answers FAQs directly from a PDF document. And conversational language understanding, or CLU, can power a chatbot that understands real intent, like booking a flight or checking an order. Whenever it's about text, document, or conversations, language services are the answer. Then we have speech. Speech to text can transcribe customer calls in real time. Text to speech can turn plain text into natural human-like voice. And translator can break language barriers by translating speech into multiple languages. This is what makes application voice-enabled and multilingual. Finally, decision services. The Personalizer service makes real-time recommendations, like suggesting the best article, product, or video for a user. And the Anomaly Detector spots unusual patterns. For example, flagging fraud in financial transaction. So if your AI needs to recommend or detect something unusual, decision services are the way to go. Now here's an interview style scenario. Your company wants to extract text from thousands of invoices, build a chatbot to answer HR FAQs from a document, and recommend products to online shoppers. Which Azure service would you use? A weak answer would be vision for invoices, language for chatbot, decisions for recommendation. That's too vague. A strong answer is, for invoices, use computer vision OCR. For the chatbot, use question answering. And for product recommendation, use Personalizer. That's the level of specificity interviewers expect. So to wrap up, Azure AI services fall into four categories: vision, language, speech, and decision. In the next video, we'll take our first deep dive into one of them, text analytics and sentiment analysis, and actually see it in action inside the Azure portal.